Hello guys. If you guys could let me know if I'm live or you can hear me. I have not seen news by the way. Let me refresh. Yeah, today is Wednesday. Oh my god, no news on Thursday. Oh my god. I think so, everything is fine. And oh my god, everything is gone to the next week. CPI, non-farm unemployment. These things are going all the way to the next week. Something big is coming. I think so. There's something big is coming up. First of November, at some point, U.S. government has to open. By the way, uh, something fishy is going on. I believe so. Yeah. So this is what it is. Today we have a no news now. Yesterday I was watching this news because we have this government shutdown going on in the U.S. First of all, if you guys could hear me, it will be good if I just let me know. U.S. government has to open. Yeah. So the thing I am before we start our analysis on charts, it's very important to discuss this matter right now, which is this one. Today is Wednesday, so yesterday I was just watching this news calendar. We have this PPI news in here and unemployment claim as well in here Thursday. I was like, Wednesday we may anticipate a chop, and then Thursday we will see a volatility. Friday we have no news. I was like, yeah, this is what you can that's how you can anticipate some price action or the move on charts. And I just refreshed this today, and because you have this government shutdown going on for past 3 weeks, and all of those news is going to the next week, going to the next week. So all of those news has come to the next this unemployment claim is the first week of the October news, and then it's gone to the third week now. Non-farm employment was the second week news, and it's gone to the third week. Now CPI was the third week, second week news, gone to the third week, and PPI news as well, gone to the another next week as well. So look at this. So the way because the government is shut down, that's why so actually these numbers has to released by government, and government is actually shut down. So how can they release these numbers? So that's how it is for sure. They have to go until unless the US government open, we may see this kind of continuation on news going on. But the concerning thing is right now, if we watch out, market is not in that condition as well, if technically speaking, to give us a big move price action as well. After a big downward side price action from the market on Friday last week, a Thursday, a Friday last week, because of the news, we have seen this is a choppy price action, and this is what I was just discussing. Have been discussing with you guys as well. I don't know on a bigger picture time frame, weekly time frame, or maybe daily time frame. I actually don't know which way market has to go. At this point, we was bullish. At this point, I was anticipating it could be bearish. It went down. Now it is holding this range, which is a weekly fairly gap low, and also this is the value area low of the range as well from here to here. So far it is holding this range, which is fine, but it seems to me that it is just trying to do two things right now. Because this government shutdown is going on, still we have tariff news is going on in China and US. Anything could happen. This is what I was just discussing with you guys as well yesterday. Any of these kind of news do come out on a charts, and we can anticipate a major pullback from here toward downside. We can not deny that this is possible. The other possibility is that may played out. The other reason that it may played out on a chart is we have this fifth wave all the way toward upper side. market has done. If we just go to bigger picture time frame, just bigger picture time frame, you can not deny the fact that Elliott wave says that a five wave toward the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be the fifth wave top, and we can anticipate major pullback ABC toward downside from here. I'm not saying it is going to 50k, 40k from here. Just anticipating that we can anticipate a major ABC correction, maybe 80k, possible. Maybe this area 70k, 90k as well, are possible as well. Just because we have this government shutdown going on, tariff news going on, another day a Trump tweet, there will be 100% tariff on Chinese product. Market went down. This kind of process can we do, and now government is shut down. I will all of those news is coming going all the way to the next week. So something fishy is going on. I believe so. Something fishy is going on. Anything can happen. And but overall, if you watch out, because we have no news coming up, and we have market is more for like after aggressive downside price, I can trading at a strong level of support. You can say that, but so far we don't know on bigger picture time. I don't know on bigger picture time frame which way it has to go now. This is what I was like. I need to from the market to give me a more candles, and then I would anticipate which way it could go from. I don't know at this point, considering like it could go up, then go down. It could be continue to be bullish from here, inverting this early gap, and then be bullish. It could go down, create another week at this range, then go up. It could be continue to be bearish, knocking this week, and then go down as well. We have this four possibilities. I don't know on bigger picture time from which way market will go from. I'm blind on bigger picture. That's why I'm very careful to take any kind of trade on shorter term time frame. Very small size trade. I want. This is what I was just thinking about yesterday. It's better use trade with a small size and then risk same 1 to 2% on your charts, because right now is not the market conditions is changed now. Maybe this could be the top. Look at this weekly time frame. If you watch out just weekly time frame, this candle, this red candle. Look at this high, knocked the previous high, closed bearish, big massive wick to a downside. What do you think? Like this week market will be bullish, or it could knock this previous week high? I don't think so. I don't think so. This is going to be happen. I don't think so. It may be not happen. If even though if it close bullish, I don't think so. It is going to be happen. Maybe next week as well. The way this candle has formed, I'm already anticipating this weekly candle is the top, and we could remain is at this range and then all of a sudden go down. Maybe just go up then go down as well. Yeah, we could backtest these areas, and then from here continue to be bearish, knocking all of those lows. On a bigger picture time frame, I'm discussing about it. This is the concerning thing to me right now. Very careful on bigger picture time frame. I don't know which way market will go. Could go from here. Just watching and observing. Yesterday we have this massive, quite big candle as well on downward side. Just after the opening, it went down, closed bearish. Second last half of the week was more of like bullish. Last half of the yesterday price action more of like was bullish. No, the new session was bullish as well. I would say that yeah, I was not actually watching the charts. I was not in front of the charts yesterday. If you have seen live stream, I just do live stream for 30 minutes. I was like, I have to go, and it was just trading at this. I was anticipating downside per second from here, but it just went toward upper side. I was like, difficult to trade. I don't know if it was there was a trade in there or not trade in there. I was like, maybe there was a trade, but I would say just go to 15-minute time frame. I don't know if there was a trade. Like market has not given us a big clean price action on either side. It was just going up, going down, going up, weak, then go up, and then this is choppy. You don't know at this point like which way market will go from here. Um, so today as well so far, if you watch out just after the opening went up, show rejection from this weekly fair value gap low. This could have been this is what it is. I was just thinking about uh couple of days. This is what it is. I'm thinking about. I have been watching the charts. Look at this. This was on New York. This was London session on Monday. Market went down. It was a good trade. I have just still the I still kept this. This was New York session short. We taken this short. Um, and this was also yesterday London session short. And look at this again today. Look at this again today. What happened today? Look at this, and the element time is very important on charts. The element of time is very important on charts. I will tell you. I will tell you the time. This is all again 5 minute time frame fair value gap. Show rejection. Fail to go above the previous high. This is daily fair value gap low as well. You got a shorter term time frame. You anticipate market is going toward upper side. It should have to disrupt the previous highs. Then continue to be bullish. Fail to go above the previous high. It means it wants to go toward downside. Look at this. And I will show you the element of time. This is London session. So 9:22, 9:30 went toward upper side. Just come down. 9:36, 80 come down. 9:52 come down again. At this point, when this wick happened, 10 o'clock. So 9:50 to 10:10. This is what it is. It has happened. And when this wick to form, you go for a short. Just stop loss above this wick. Just risking this wick. That's it. That's it. Just risking this wick. That's it. If you stop down, stop down. If it has to go down, it has to go down from here. And look at this price action. And you can anticipate these lows to be knocked off. And yeah, you wait for the market. You have to definitely. I would suggest you should have to take profit at trade run. Even this is a previous high. Market did market went above this previous high? No. Market went above this previous high? No. Then it took on down to stop all of those lows. Could have been a very good 13k all the way to 111 6k 111 800, more of like 12 12 and then $1,200 move on charts. We have seen that. Oh, I forgot to watch out the market. It's already 2:43 now. Oh, 43 minutes. What we was doing. So this is what I was discussing with you guys. London session, it was good trade yesterday. Monday as well on a London session, good short. Tuesday as well, good short on London session. I have seen that, and today as well, Wednesday, London session, a good short. This is what market is representing to us so far. But I don't know. We still have to figure out a lot of things. You have to have an edge on a chart, which is very important, and you have to have an edge on a chart considering it's up to you how you actually want to deal with it. You want to take just one edge on charts and try to trade according to that, which is also fine. But having a multiple edge, considering different market scenarios, which is also you should have to have. Let me do this thing now. This is what it is. I am just thinking about for a couple of days. Like, yeah, you cannot deny you have edge, but having a multiple edge, which is important, and you have to adopt yourself according to different market conditions. Let me connect this. I want to connect my phone internet because this one seems to be choppy. If you guys could hear me. Just watching and observing. Yo, I don't know which way market could go from here. I'm blind. I don't know actually. I actually don't know. I may not take any trade today. I may not take any trade today. Just watching and observing. I don't need to be rushing on shows. Let's see. So yeah, because we are going down, this is already a downward side price section. We have seen that this is the higher market has created, and this is the wick. Let's see if we go to this low now. This is the top I'm anticipating right now, and this is the fair value gap market wicked into that. I wanted to see it should have to go to this low now, which is this weekly fair value gap low, and which is possible. It seems to me it could go down. It may go down all the way to this daily low as well, which is 109,600. Also possible. So this is what it is I'm anticipating right now. Short, for example, we went for a short in here. Put a stop loss, initial stop loss. Initial stop loss you put above this fairly gap, and then when this candle formed, you put a stop loss above this. So now your stop loss should be there. You're looking for all of these lows. 5 hour trade. Let's see if it's too played out. Still, you have to keep the high there for now. But this wiki candle is already uh, a little bit scary to me. This is nice because we are already going down, and then you just have to align yourself according to how this trend is going on. That's it. And this is the price action we have seen. Look at this 5 minute time frame close, and you have to align yourself with the bigger picture time frame as well, like 4 hour time frame. Um, it's good. It could be going down. 1 hour time frame, I don't know. Yeah, yeah. Look at this. These these two candles. This is the level you can anticipate. Could go there. And the 30 minute time frame, we have these two candles, and 15 minute time frame. So far, so good. Uh, this is also a good question. Yeah, like should I have this? Do you have to feel like I have missed this trade? I don't know, but I may not would have taken this trade up because for me it's not. I was like, I'm not really confident right now to jump into any kind of trade. I need to build confidence on myself first of all, and I do not have the feeling or right now that at this point, if for example I may would have went for a short, or maybe I would have anticipated this could play it out, but would have not pretty much obvious. And you have to have a feeling of that, yeah, this is definitely going to play it out. At that point, your trade, you will hold your trade for no for like for no matter what. You will be like 110% sure this is going to go to happen. There's millions of reasons that it has to happen. Maybe they it's this is trading. We should have to always accept that. Oh, the other way could go as well, market. But when you anticipate, or when you have like you have done your full homework, you're like, oh, in a zone, you're focused, so you're like, no way it is going to go up or down. That's the point. You can you'll be very confident. You'll be confident to take a big size trade. You will be confident to hold on into your trade. You will be confident to you should be known about like where is your stop loss, where are you going to be exiting the market, where you will be like closing taking the profit. You will be 100% obvious of everything. And when you have a very small amount of doubt, like, oh, I feel like this could play it out. Let's see, go for trade. No, this is not. this is not how it is going to. Maybe at some point, once or twice, maybe it could work, but for a long run, this is not going to work like that. You will see that on charts. I have seen so many times, so many times on charts. And look at this price section. Um, why it is going toward upper side? Like why? What's the reason? It don't need to. Why? It should have to tends to be bearish, no? Because just after the opening we have seen market gone up, create fair value gap. We anticipate this could be the new session top, and then tab into this fair value gap, sure rejection. This is a weekly low as well, come down. We're anticipating this low should have, I'm still anticipating this, but now I'm scared. Now for example, we went for a short in here. Definitely you should have to take profit. This is the other thing I always tell myself, and on every stream as well. If I would have jumped into gone for a short in here and I would have been looking for this low, I always draw this one, my risk to reward for the last TP. Like this will be my last TP on Jaws. And my first TP, I wanted to see inside this range of 50% to take most of my profit. And definitely you should have to take profit. Why would you not take profit at this range? You're already in profit, you're going down, it is fine. Now you're at break even, you're risking nothing now. Like you're already up now. Even though it's not a very big move, it's not a very big move, but you have to play the game of safety now, first of all, keeping yourself secured, keeping your portfolio not to go down. You take profit at this range, most of your profit at this range, and let the trade run. Put your stop loss at a break even. Above this side, your stop loss should be now. Stop out. You're in profit. You how would you feel at this point? Like to have a feeling of for example, how would you feel at this point? You enter in here. For example, you after this week we enter you go for a short in here. You're looking for all of those lows. Okay, and this low has not did not knocked. You went down initially in a profit. You see a profit in your account. Now market went up now you can see up even. Now you are at even. Initially you see profit, now you are at even, and you did not take profit in here. You are looking for this low. How would you feel at this point? At some point you was in profit and now you are at break even, and then you may got stopped out. Now your stop loss is still there. How would you feel at this point? You're at break even, at some point you was in profit. And we do trading for what? To make money, to be profitable. No, how would you feel at this point? And for example, the second person, there's another person who has taken this trade, watched this price action, anticipate this is the top, this is the high, went for a short, and once to come down, the second person is anticipating this is my last TP. While going down, I have to take profit, and I would prefer to take profit at this range, 50% of this range, most of my profit. And if we watch out, we have nothing on a charts in here like for a reason to go down. It is just it is just me who's like, you should have to know everything, by the way. It is just me additional bonus, that's it. We don't know if our start TP got hit or should hit. I don't know. So we'll see how it goes. I don't know. Just watching and observing, not doing anything, not chasing the market. I have not taken this trade. This is not the trade I have taken. I just anticipate initially this could play it out. I believe so. For example, I would have taken this trade. I would have taken most of my profit at this range. At this point, my stop loss would have been there. Now, when it got this high, my stop loss would have been there. After taking this most of my profit, I would have been out from the market. That's it. I knew for the fact that this is not going to be a pretty much ideal trading day. Why? The reason is we have this government shutdown going on. We have no news today. Tomorrow we have no news as well. On a bigger picture time frame, we are trading inside the range of like, I don't know. I'm completely blind on bigger picture time frame. Which way market will go from here? Like it is trending upward side, downward side. I don't know. Market is more of like trying to hold this area. This one we have seen a couple of days. Market has been holding this area 1, 2, 3, 4 4 4 days in here, which is the value area of this range as well. And these this is a weekly fair value gap low as well. It is holding. This is a quite strong level of support so far. It is holding. As long as it is holding this range, I don't know, like maybe it could get the bounce to just to disrupt this the daily highs, or maybe this weekly high or this area possible. But we actually don't know. I'm blind which where the overall trend on the market. This is value roll of the range. I'm actually blind where the overall trend is, or toward upper side or maybe toward downward side. We don't know. So that's how it is. I'm blind on bigger picture time frame. That's why I'm very careful to take any kind of trade. Not I do not want to, because I don't know on bigger, because usually we are bullish or bearish on bigger picture time frame, and then how that's how we anticipate or predict the market according to the price action. But so far we're blind. So far I don't know. It's just a daily time frame market open. I don't know this how this daily candle, today's daily candle. I was already not known. I was anticipating just after the opening. It was trading at this trend. I was anticipating because this was the bullish cross section for me. I was like continuation toward this 4 hour time frame gap. This is what I was anticipating after the new day opening. I was in front of the charts. I was at my job. I was like, let's see if maybe new day opening candle could give us something. It did not went there. It remained just choppy. And I would say, yeah, this could have been a good shot. And this is what it is. We have been watching. I've been watching for last 2 3 days. 3 days. This is what happened at what point, like what time. It's a London time. London session 9:30 to 10 o'clock. More of like same like in New York. New York's 9:30 to 10, half past 10, like that. It's in but uh, but this was a London time, more of like morning. You can just guess like that. Normal working hours in a London time. Wherever you live in the world, or just write down London time right now, and you have to manage the your local time with London time if you want to trade London session, or you have to manage New York time with if you want to trade. Now you're out from the trade right now. And how would you feel the first person? I was just giving you example for the first person right now. It it is about to get stopped out, and this is what most of the retail trader is do most of the time. How would you feel at this point when at some point you go for a short? Why did not take my foot? I was in that spot. You'll be cursing yourself at this point, not taking profit at this range, and now you are about to stop out again. You enter in here, did not take profit in there. You're looking for this low, a bigger. I am looking for big target. Big target is here. Market is not going going to the big target. Market will stop you out. How would you feel at this point? You will be feeling terrible. Psychologically, you will be feeling rigged as hell. And you will be more of like cursing yourself, like why I have to have this infantile mindset. It's a complete insanity of me. Why? How can I do that? How can I have this myopic perspective on trading? Why I did not take this profit? You'll be cursing on yourself. You'll be killing yourself. I'm 100% sure. This is what I used to do. This is what I have been doing. Tech past me 6 7 months ago. This is what I was doing. Same thing. If you got not if you got just a year or maybe like 6 7 months ago, This was me. This was me. I just always keep myself this example. This was me. I'm not taking this profit, trading with the big size, trading revenge trades, aggressive trades. Oh, I will miss this trade. I have to take this trade. Market is going up now. I have to buy. Past me was doing this. Used to do this, and that's how I can feel now. The same retail trader what they would be thinking. They would be doing the same thing. Somebody who is new, who just come in, oh, got to know Bitcoin is going to all-time high. Everything, this is the hype and everything going on. 100,000 k, 2,000 k. Everybody is saying Bitcoin going to the moon. Oh, you got to know from the news or from social media, oh, Bitcoin is a thing. You started trading. You'll be rigged as hell. And this is the you and you don't know when there's a hype, when there's a media, when there's when when there's a news like in every media or everybody saying, "Oh, buy Bitcoin." At that point, you have to look to exit the liquidity. That's it. At that point, you have to look to exit the trade market. That's it. Not enter. That point, you have to look to go for a short, not buy. I learned this like from my ages and ages. So right now, everybody's saying buy Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin. This point, when this happened, what everybody was saying, man. At this point, when it was just last week, what everybody's saying at this, I was also bullish. I was also bullish at this one. I was like, it should have to make one more leg up. I was anticipating it could be bearish from here. These are the highs. It should not have to go above. It was not going above. I was like, and my edge was telling me, yeah, it is going down. I was like, this may not happen. Market is bullish. It will go to the upper side. I did not trade this price action because I was confused. At some point, I was like, bullish. It is bullish. It should have to make one more leg to the upper side. But my edge was telling me it is bearish. I did not trade this price action, but my edge was telling me to go for a short. I did not take any trade. And look at this. Everybody was bullish. And look at this. It went down. Everybody was saying it is going to 130, 200,000 k, 200k in here from here. All the a big target, for example, here 200k, man. Bitcoin to the moon. Where is moon now? Moon is here now. Rigged. The biggest crypto, the biggest crash. 19.2 billion liquidation. For what? Just a news. This Trump guy, a tweet. Just a tweet. And before the news, okay, for example, it does not matter about news. Yes, the element of news is there, but market was already telling me, my edge was already telling me it is going down. I was like, I did not trade this price action, but I was like, I was feeling a little bit of like, I should not be feel like that, but I was like, bro, it was a very good shot. If I had just followed my edge. Look at this, like, just this is one candle, that one daily, 120 approximately, 122k, 103k. Oh my god, more of like how many thousand, like Navano, 20k dollar, 20k trade, 20k trade in a one day. Just what you have to do, just sell in here and put your stop loss at the break even and let the trade run. You are not losing anything. Let it go. Enjoy your profit. This is what it is. You have to do. That's it. But we don't know how market is performing right now. 188. And look at this, it is gone toward opposite. The same thing it has done yesterday. At this range, after the opening, this range it opened at this range. I was waiting for the bearish price action. It went toward opposite. Uh, it is difficult to buy in here. I don't know. It is difficult to buy in here. You can anticipate if this could be the bottom. Not sure if this could be the bottom, but we have to wait for this close 15-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame here. And I would say not ideal trading a day. I would say so far. So far, no trade has been taken. I'm just watching and observing. Yeah, which way it could go? I actually don't know. But I have to be in front of the charts. You can say that this could be the bottom, considering 15-minute time frame. But I don't know if it has a potential to disrupt all of those highs. I don't know. Could continue to be bullish, could come down, hold the area, then be bullish as well. Not sure. So this is the previous major high now. We have to keep in mind 113,400. For now, I'm just adjust to Bitcoin now. For now, uh, I just wanted to focus on one asset class for now. We'll see maybe in future I might do Nasdaq. I've not touched the Nasdaq so many times. I've not touched the Ethereum so many times. Yes, you can say that there's opportunity. Definitely, if you don't find a opportunity on one market, you can switch to another market, but your mind will be diverted pretty much. So it's better to sit still. I don't know if it's true or not. I still have to research about that. I don't know. I'm not anticipating any price action right now. I'm not anticipating any kind of trade right now because I don't know actually which way market will go from here. Well, this is the previous high, major highs. If market will go up toward upper side from here, trade very close to those highs and fail to go above those highs, then I may look for some sort of a trade. Otherwise, at this point, I don't know. That's how this is what it is. I was like thinking about other day as well. I have to have, because market conditions is changed now. You have to have a different edge on your own. You have to have different setups according to changing market conditions. And yeah, this is what it is. I'm like, I've just have discovered one edge now. For now, still a lot hard to go. Just watching and observing, guys. I don't know which way market will go. So far, it is showing a rejection from this low, the low of the 4-hour time frame gap, and I'm getting distracted as well. When it is boring, you will get distracted. It is obvious. Trying not to get distracted. Just a normal random thoughts. Meanwhile, we can do something else. What happened to this thing? We may finish this live stream at 10:30 if it continue to do like that. Yeah, we will see how it goes. So far, if you watch chart, still market. This is the previous major high. Market has shown rejection from the low of the 4-hour time fairly gap. Can I go for a short? Oh no, I cannot go for a short. Can I look to go for a short? You can look to go for a short. Oh, this is. Let's see if market respect this 5-minute time fairly gap or invert this 5-minute time fairly gap. Can I go for a short because you're in rejection? We're already very. This is the top. This is the fairly gap now. Should have to invert this fairly gap, and what level you'll be targeting? This is the question. Cannot go for a short, man.